Hey everyone, Ricky here with Star Lessons, the channel where we break down popular songs and teach you how to play them on guitar. Today we have a very special treat for all you Jason Mraz fans out there. We're going to learn how to play the lead part for his famous hit, I'm Yours. So grab your guitar and let's get started. So before we dive into the song, let's quickly go over the chords you'll need to know. The main chords used in I'm Yours are C, G, A minor, F. If you're not familiar with these chords, don't worry. I'm going to post them on a separate video on our channel. Check it out if you need a refresher. But real quick, here are the chords. It's C, G, A minor, and F. And the way he actually does the strumming pattern, it's kind of like a train. It goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, with a little palm muting. Okay, awesome. Now that you have the chords down, let's move on to the lead guitar part. Okay, the lead guitar part in I'm Yours, it's played using a combination of single notes and simple melodies, commonly known as double stops. So let's get right into it. So how do you play this lead guitar part? Let's see. The first things that we're going to do a double stop here on 8 on the B string and an E string. So, and then we're going to slide it up to 10, back to 8. Okay, so that's the first thing. It's pretty simple. Okay, the next one. We're going to go do that same double stop, slide up to 10, and then this time we're going to do 8 and 7. So 8 on the B string, 7 on the E string. So far we have okay. Next part, we're going to create sort of like a D. This is like a D formation here. The top of a D, which is going to be 7th fret on the G and 8th fret on the B. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a double stop and then slide it up to, we're going to slide it up from the 7 to the 9 on the G. And on the B, we're going to slide it up from the 8 to the 10. Okay, and then we're going to land on this chord right here, which is the 10th fret. So it's 10 and 9 on the D string and on the G string. Okay, then we'll play that twice, and then we'll end up on another double stop. Or you can hammer on if you want. So that ends up being 10th fret on both the D string and the G string. Okay? So the whole thing goes like this. Okay, great. Awesome. So how do you play it? You're going to go double stops on the 8 to the 10, back to the 8. Another double stop with ending up on the 8 and the 7. And then that top of a D formation chord. Ending up on really the tonic and the 3rd of the C chord. Okay? Okay, awesome. You guys are making great progress. Now let's put it all together and play along with the backing track. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You guys just learned how to play the lead guitar for I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to support Star Lessons by subscribing to our channel for more guitar lesson videos and song tutorials. If you have any requests for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep it rocking.